Wala. Bakasyon kami.
Di ba pupunta kayo sa
Japan? Anong gusto mo?
Bakit ang sakit ang
May surgery ka sa ulo eh. Kaya may incision ka dyan. Kaya medyo masakit pa. Diba? Stand up.
Push forward, that's done, okay?
She's ataxic, okay, so she needs to scoot
Yeah.
forward a little bit so that her feet.
Can you push from that side with the, I don't have the sheet here.
Well, she can scoot.
Oh,
Let
Try
her.
and scoot forward. Okay?
Ma, scoot forward.
Try to come
Yeah.
forward.
Good. Scoot some more so that your feet will be touching on the ground.
Here. Watch your hand.
Yeah.
yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
Pull
Scoot.
forward so you can come forward a little bit.
Your feet need to be flat on the floor, okay?
Scoot. There you are. Scoot some more, Mama. A little bit more.
Yeah.
I think. Can you feel the ground?
Yes.
All right. Are you ready to stand? All right.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Okay, can you put your foot in front of the walker? Okay, ready? 1, 2.
Good job, Mama. Good. Good. Can you see the walker? Can you see the commode?
Yeah.
Let's step towards the commode.
Okay, so we're
I know.
gonna start
Keep
turning.
keep stepping, Mama.
So,
Step.
yeah.
Step. Good. Keep stepping.
Make sure your brain.
Good. Keep stepping. All right.
Okay.
Perfect. Good. That was. Yeah.
Good. Yeah,
Good.
that's the flow.
That was not max at all.
Oh, no. No, that was a lot better.
That was.
Good job. Try to use.
Gustong-gusto mo yung ano, ice cream ah. Matamis ba? Hindi. Sugar free. Mhm. Baka matapon. Idiretso mo. Okay, talaga yung taco ah. Mhm. Yan. Ano yan, May? Merong lettuce, kamatis, beef taco. Nice. Gutom ka ma. Mas okay pala pag walang patch. Mas nakita mo ako. Diretso mo yung ano mo. Ano nangyari?
Sakit ang ulo ko eh.
Oo. Ganun talaga. Yung mashed potato ma. Yung mashed potato. Yan. Nakita mo mashed potato? Good. Yan. Good. Yan. Use your ano. Sabaw yan. Chicken. Chicken soup. Gusto mo? Magpagaling ka ma. Yan. Nahinay lang. Chew. Good job, mama. Taco yan. May lettuce. Beef. Gamitin mo yung kaliwa. Yung kaliwang ano. Ito yung potato mash, gusto mo? Or beef ang gusto mo? Anong gusto mo? Beef or potato?
Lahat.
Oo, lahat. Yan. Okay na yan. Yan, subo mo. Galing. I-chew mo na mabuti mo, ha. Mhm. Galing, ah. Nice. Yung mashed potato ma. Yung isa. Ito yung mashed potato. Yan. Yan. Galing ah. Nice.
All the way up. Go, go, go. Nice and tall. Stand tall. Good.
Good job.
Okay.
Step mama. Big steps.
Take one step with your right leg. Step
One,
forward. Good. And your left.
2, 3.
Right.
Big steps. 4. Big steps.
Step into the walker.
Big steps mama. Big
Into the
steps.
walker.
Big steps. A little bit more. Good.
Beautiful.
Big steps.
Big step.
Big steps. A little bit more. Can you see me?
We're gonna turn to
Mama.
your left. Turn to your left.
Mama, big steps. Good job. Yeah, it's normal.
Good. Okay.
Attack sick. This is like
All right.
this is like 10 feet
Clarita.
right now. Good.
We're
She
gonna
don't
go
wanna
ahead
stop.
and sit down, okay?
Yeah.
Reach back.
Reach back.
Reach back for the chair.
Good job.
Okay.
There you are. Hold
All
on to
the
the
way
walker, Mama. Stand up straight,
Okay.
Mama. Stand up straight.
Stand tall.
Stand up
I
straight.
still have already.
Oh yeah.
You need to stand tall.
Yeah.
Where's the paper to clean?
I'm gonna have it.
There you are. She's gonna help.
Okay.
Okay.
Give it to me now.
Here you are.
Where?
I'm gonna let her just try.
Good job. Good job, Mama. Good job. So this is not a total assist. She's doing it.
Quite a bit. That's good.
And the clean the bata.
You're good, Mama.
Where's the
Okay.
bata?
Throw it in the toilet.
Yeah. You're good, Mama. You're clean already.
No, I'm not.
No, she's very thorough, Rachel. She's a CNA. She is a CNA, so she is an
Okay.
employee of the year. A CNA
All right. Are
employee,
you
so
done
she
with that
is
one,
very
Clarita?
clean.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, are you sitting back down?
Of course.
No.
Okay.
No, let's
Yeah.
not sit yet.
Yeah, let her sit a little
okay.
bit.
Here, let me take this.
We're almost there.
Keep scooting forward
Yes,
for me.
keep scooting. Good job.
There you go.
Good job, Mama. Good job, Mama. Can you?
Your toes are touching. Wonderful. Can you scoot a little bit more?
Good job.
Perfect. And we'll stop there. Okay? We're gonna bring the walker in front of you.
Where I'm going now.
We're gonna see if we can go for a little walk.
There you are.
Okay.
So maybe put the chair here.
All right.
Uh-huh.
We're gonna need to stick really close with that
Yeah.
because she doesn't give us any warning that she's gonna sit.
Okay.
So
So, Rachel, can
Yes.
we put her in the chair first and let's start from there?
we can transfer
Yeah,
over to the
yeah.
chair
And
first.
then we'll start from there. All right.
Okay. Clarita,
Yes.
we're gonna stand up
Uh-huh.
and sit down in the chair.
This walker.
We're gonna use the walker. Yes.
Good
You
job,
ready?
Mama. Good
Yeah.
job.
Okay. Can you use this hand to push up from the bed?
Good job, Mama.
The rail's in the way. There you
There
go.
you are. Yeah.
Okay, and then this hand's gonna go right here.
Yeah,
Whoop.
take that rail up.
You want to use both hands? Okay.
Good job, Mama. Stand up, Mama.
So go ahead and stand up. Lean forward.
Stand up, Mama.
Kung matong
No.
Okay.
Rachel is
Say.
there. She's gonna be okay.
Okay.
Stand up, Mama.
Go ahead and stand on up.
Yeah, maybe one hand from the walker.
There you go. Can you help just position her hand
Yeah.
so that she can push up?
We're gonna put our hand. Here you go, Clarita. Take my hand. There we go. We're gonna
Okay.
push from there, okay?
Now,
Stand up.
we're gonna stand up on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, and 3. Stand all the way up. Go,
Good
go,
job,
go.
Mama.
Even more. Stand
And
all the way
there
up.
you are.
Clarita.
Guide the hand
All
with the
the way up.
walker. There
There
you
you
go.
go.
Good job. Yeah, that's like
Now squeeze your bottom and stand nice and tall for me.
that's like a main mod right there. Step, Mama. Can you see the chair?
All right.
Good. Step.
You're gonna take a step with your right leg. Step forward. There you go. And now bring your left leg in. Please be really close
Yeah,
also.
I got you.
Okay.
Keep
Right
stepping,
leg.
Mama. Good.
Good.
Keep stepping.
Left
Big
leg.
step. Big step. It's okay.
And we're gonna go ahead and sit back down.
Good. That was not a max, Rachel.
That was a solid mod that we're going
Yeah.
with right now.
Yeah, of 1. Just don't put another person there for mod of 2.
All right, Clarita, can you go ahead and scoot back in the chair for me?
Scoot back, Mama. Good job. Good scooting ability. Good.
Okay, we're gonna put your
Good.
hands on the armrest of the chair. There you go.
Can I go to pee?
Do you need to go use the restroom?
Yeah.
Oh,
Let's see.
she's confident. Good. There's a commode over there. Subo ka pa. Yan.
It's okay para makita nila na
Ni,
the nurse is
ay,
here.
ayaw ko na lang yung kunin yung mukha mo. Maski yung kamay lang.
Okay.
Kasi alam mo na, mga hipa-hipa. Yan.
Yan.
Yan. Okay lang. At least may kamay. May witness.
Okie dokie.
Okay, she's been
Very
sitting
good.
for like almost 30 minutes at the shin, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Very
And
good.
she's holding the cup by herself. Sitting by herself. Good sitting balance, Mama. Good sitting tolerance. So the eye patch is helping, huh? Yeah, I think the eye patch is helping at the shin. Good. Now she's able to hold that Luzerna by herself, sitting up by herself. Good sitting balance. She's been sitting here for the last almost 30 minutes, right? Yeah. And I have a witness. The nurse is here. Nurse Shin. Doing good, Mama.
Okay, ate. Let's take your pill. Medicine, okay?
Mhm.
Do not
At ano yung pill?
Pangalasan niya.
Ano yung pill na yun, ate? Yung mga blood
For
pressure?
blood pressure niya.
Ah, good. Good job, Mama. Malakas to eh. Fighter to. She's a fighter.
Here.
Ba, laban ka ha.
Yeah.
Asan yung PT? Nasa labas.
I know. Kaya nga, dalian natin para mabigay ko na yung ano mo. Yung just apple sauce.
Siguro i-ano natin Ate Shin na i-timing natin na nandito yung family tapos timing na naka-edge of bed na siya.
Okay, very good. Ito
Oh,
pa.
Ate Shin, okay lang ba na lagay ka sa video or yeah.
Matiwete ka ba kanan? Kanan. Okay, ayan o. Ayan yung ano mo.
Yeah, hindi niya makita eh.
Ayan yung ano mo, tinapay mo.
Mm.
There.
Yeah, yan. Isubo mo na sa bunganga mo. Yan, subo mo sa bunganga mo. Kailangan niya ng
Mabigat ba?
Hindi, okay lang. Yeah, subo mo.
Taga rito ba sila?
Santa Clarita. Oh, kasi kalilipat lang, kabibili ng bahay ni Ron. Kilala mo si Ron, yung anak niya, yung Fleb? Yan, oh, nakakain naman eh. Yeah. Glendale sila, pero lumipat sila ng mga 4 years ago dito with my brother-in-law. Ang galing kumain ni Mama. Ipakita ko to sa doktor. Sabi kasi ng doktor, total assist ka raw sa pagkain, hindi ka raw makahawak ng ng spoon. Yun ang sinulat ng OT. Kaya yeah. She's sitting up. Yeah. Yeah. Salamat Sheena, at least may connection tayo dito.
I know.
Yeah, kailangan
I was
talaga.
looking at her
Kaya-
this morning.
Kailangan talaga natin malagay siya sa acute rehab. We just need that 2 weeks. Tapos ako na mag-therapy niya sa kanya sa bahay.
No.
Yeah. So, Ma, say hi to everyone. Naka-video ka. Say hi. Dahan-dahan lang. Mhm. Okay ka lang? Lalamig ka? Oo. Oh, pick upin mo ulit yung ano ba? Yung bread, yan. Nakita mo? Double vision niya. Hingi tayo ng eye patch mamaya, okay? Yan, pick upin mo. Good, subo mo. Galing. Magaling. Huwag kang matakot, Ma. Okay? Huwag kang matakot na mahulog ka. Okay? Kaya mo to, Mama. Oo, naka-video. Anong oras na? Tingnan mo yung orasan.
Okay.
Tingnan mo, anong oras?
6 o'clock
Good!
p.m.
Good! Anong month this time? Anong month? Month, birthday month ko. Anong month?
Hindi na kayo napunta sa Japan na.
Pumunta kami sa Japan. Pirma mo yan. Pirma mo yan ah.
Yeah.
Yung pangalan yan. First name, last, at saka first name muna. Clarita. Good. Very good. Silvano. Nice. Nice. Practice ulit. Yan. Laki-lakihan mo. Yan. Silvano. Galing ah.
Okay, can you count for me? 1 more.
10.
Nice.
Good.
Nice.
Use your legs. Good. Good job.
I feel dizzy.
I know.
Look
We
through
know.
your head. Let's rest for a moment. Okay. Good.
Reach. Good.
Stand down, use your legs, and stand up nice and tall. Very good. Bend your legs.
Whoa! Sarap bang luto ni Carla?
ba? Sarap.
Ako, di ba?
Mm. Ano meron? Ano masakit? Yung?
Makate.
Oh. Subo ma, subo. Subo.
Sarap ko nga yun.
Galing mo subo ah. Yung kinakain mo ma.
Sinigang.
Nice.
Kunting patis.
Kanina umaga pinito ni Carla yun ma.
Kaya,
Yan, kangkong. Masarap yan.
thank you, Carla.
Ikaw palang kumakain ng mga meatballs nila eh. It's okay, mama. Ma, breathe. Breathe. Take some deep breaths, mama.
Dapat perfect. Lagyan mo ng kwan.
Lagyan mo ng rice, ma.
Rice ma, para makatae ka kaya hindi ka nakakatae wala kang rice.
Yan.
Ayan.
Pop, pop.
Oh,
Walang bibitaw.
Huwag mo bitawan ang kwan. Huwag mo bitawan ang tinidor. Hawak mo
Tapos
palagi.
tingin ka sa camera bago ka magsubo. Hop! Huwag mong bitawan, huwag mong bitawan.
Sarap, sarap. Lagyan mo ng rice.
Yun, perfect yun ah.
Perfect yun ah.
Yeah, another subo.
Perfect talaga.
Hop! Baliktad, baliktad, baliktad.
Perfect.
Okay.
And we'll review again what's wrong in
Hop!
there.
Hop, 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 hop.
Nagkwan lang yun eh. Nagganon lang ng
No,
bunganga.
pero nandun na oh. Ibalik mo ma, yung kamay mo. Yan.
Ayan.
Yan. Walang bitawan. Walang bibitaw. Yan.
Perfect. Tingnan natin dito
Ayan,
ulit
review
ha.
ma, review. Up, up, up. Yung kamay mo ma. 9, 10. Almost. Alright. Alright. Face the pool. There you are. Big steps now. Big. 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 Good. Keep going. Big. Alright. Now one hand support. Let go. Go. Big. Big. Big steps. Big steps. Big. Thanks to Juan. Big. 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 Alright. Kabila. Face the pool. Don't move your trunk. There you are. Big steps. Big steps. Big. Good. Forward, ma. Forward.
Kasi computer shop na. Eh ngayon, sabi niya, okay, para hindi ka na to.